In this video, you'll learn how to connect your MailChimp account to your Google account. This integration enables you to streamline your marketing efforts by utilizing Google services alongside MailChimp's robust email marketing platform. To begin, navigate to the MailChimp website, enter the URL into your browser, which is the MailChimp login page. Once the page loads, look for the login button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click this button to proceed. After clicking login, you will be prompted to enter your credentials, input your email address and password associated with your MailChimp account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will arrive at the MailChimp dashboard. Next, locate the integrations option in the left-hand sidebar. Click on integrations to access the integration settings. This section allows you to connect various applications to your MailChimp account, enhancing its functionality. Once you are in the integration section, find the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Google Analytics and press enter. The search results will display Google Analytics among other integration options. Click on the Google Analytics option to continue. After selecting Google Analytics, you will see a screen that provides information about the integration. Look for the Connect button, which is typically located in the upper right area of the integration details. Click on Connect to initiate the connection process. Once you click Connect, the system will prompt you to choose your Google account. If you are not already signed into Google, you will need to enter your Google account credentials. Select the account you wish to connect with MailChimp and click on Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Following the permissions step, you may see a consent screen detailing what data MailChimp will access. Review this information carefully. If you agree, click on Continue to proceed with the integration. After granting permissions, you will be directed back to MailChimp. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration with Google Analytics has been successfully established. Verify that the connection is active. And there you have it. You have successfully connected your MailChimp account to your Google account. This integration will help you leverage analytics data to enhance your email marketing campaigns. Thanks for watching and see you soon.